Okay, so now we're in Freeman's room. I have to talk low because he's sleeping. There he is. And this is the way that you hang the machine. There's a little hole in the back of the feeding pump. And you just kind of use the gray knob to screw it on until it's tight. And then you hang the feeding bag right above it and make sure that this is not kinked. And then this is the tricky part. Can flip Freeman over and you feed the tube up his left leg carefully. Pull it through his pants. Make sure you have enough slack at the top. And then you find his J-tube port. And make sure it's securely in. Which it's not. You might need to flip him over completely. I mean, no one's going to be able to. And then you turn the machine on. Wait until it runs through all of the numbers. Make sure the setting is correct, 36 mLs per hour. And then you hit the run button. It's the bottom left button. Okay. I always like to double check that the J-tube is in the port tightly. You can give it a little tug. And then I pull his shirt down, and that's that.